Not sure if you've seen the Lotus. It's not a Lotus stand, it's an energy stand, but they've got a Lotus on it, so I thought I'll try and get a quick video of the Lotus. I've actually not seen one too close myself, actually. I've just seen it in the showroom at Berkeley Square. You can't really totally see the shape because of all of the not too much space for me to step back so you can have a look. Yeah, so Headley, I think that's the dealership at Berkeley Square. Yeah, so let's see if I can get this BYD. There's a BYD seal here. See, the stall where they got the BYD, it's a nicer colour in the grey, but there's so many people around there I can't get a video of it, so it's cool that I can get this one in and then make my way home. Oh, here's something I didn't know that they had on the show. Don't think this is open. Yeah, because this is not BYD's stand. This is right at the entrance. But I didn't know that they had a Rivian, because I didn't think they'd be selling this in the UK market. So it's interesting that they've got one here. So I get to see what a Rivian looks like in the flesh, which is quite interesting. Yeah, it's the R1. Oh, they've also got the Ford Lightning. My God. Oh, what I've noticed, Leon, is their left-hand drives. Oh, is that the... So I wonder if this means that we're going to get these in the UK market. That would be interesting. I can see what they mean. I've never really realised how big the F150 is. Jesus Christ. That is insane. That is absolutely insane. Wow.